Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew in a blue exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights, as well as your black towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. One thing I do want to point out on the exterior is you will have running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium gray cloth, along with a gray and black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 15 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 12 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium gray cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention on the back of the center console, you will have a 12-volt plug-in, as well as a flip-down cup holder. And you will also have 2 USB plug-ins. Coming here to the rear of this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. I would also like to mention this vehicle will have keyless entry. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 41,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness and your parking brake. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will have your gear shifter here on the right side behind the steering wheel. On the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have your dashboard options, as well as your cruise control. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your audio options, as well as your talking options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. As I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as 2 USB plug-ins and a 12-volt plug-in. You will also have your 4-wheel drive options, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. You will also have 2 cup holders, a large center console, and this will fold up to become a middle seat. To end off the interior features, up top you will have a sunglass holder, as well as your lighting options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 5.0L V8F DOHC32V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have several stone chips. You will have several scratches here in front of the front passenger side door. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple scratches. Here on the tailgate, you will have several chips. You will have several chips here on the driver's side of the bed. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have several chips, as well as several scratches. Here on the front driver's side door, you will also have a couple scratches, as well as a few chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew in a blue exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.